You interested? Are you interested to finding a better way compared to working 40 years and retiring on funds that barely pays? That strategy used to work a generation or two ago, but the world has changed since then. Instead of being left behind, I am going to show you what works now in the future digital economy. You will never have to worry about retirement again as long as you take action and follow what my team and I teach. This is the new digital economy right here. You will thank me later. Smile. It's going to open your eyes to what is possible now. See you at the top.